Hi dear student, how are you? Are you okay? In this video we review 3 lessons. Students, please watch the video. In this lesson we review adding integers, subtracting integers, multiply and dividing integers. And now we started from adding integers. How can find the sum if we have integers? For example, if we have like sign and with different sign, what we do, student? We need to know. In example A, we have -7 plus -2. What we do there, student? If we have like sign, we add the absolute value, both of them. After that, find the answer. After that, what we do? We have absolute value of -7 plus absolute value of -2 equal to what? Absolute value of -7 equal to 7. Absolute value of -2 equal to 2. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. And after that, at the answer, what we do? We write the sign if we have negative. If we have both of them are positive, we write the positive. But there's we have negative in both of them. In the answer also we write the negative sign, student. If we have unlike sign or a different sign, -8 plus +3. This, if we haven't any sign, it means positive. You know about this. After that, what we do? If we have unlike sign, we say absolute value of greatest number. Absolute value of greatest number. Which one is greater, 8 or 3? 8 is greatest. Absolute value of 8. We use subtract. Change the add to subtract. After that, absolute value of yes number or least number. Absolute value of 3. Absolute value of -8 equal to 8. Absolute value of 3 equal to 8. Equal to 3. We write the minus also there, student. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. But which numbers have greatest? 8 is greatest. What is the sign of 8? We have negative. Which one is greater? We write this sign, student. Because 8 is greater, we write down -5, because which one is greater? 8 is greater. If -3 and +8, we write a +5, student, because which one is greatest? We write the sign of this number, student. And now we solve practice C. Practice C, we have -5 plus +9. There's we have greatest number, we have positive sign, and least number we have negative sign. We use absolute value of greatest number. We write it absolute value of 9. Change +2, subtract, because we have unlike sign, student. We write it negative. Minus. Absolute value of -5. We write it because -5 is less than 9. And absolute value of 9 equal to 9. Absolute value of -5 equal to 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. And because we have greatest number, we have a positive sign. In the answer also we write it +4, student. In example D also we have unlike sign, different sign, or 21 plus -9. We say absolute value of greatest number, we write it 21. Change a +2 minus. Absolute value of -9 equal to 9 also. Absolute value of 21 equal to 21. 21 minus 9 equal to 12. Because we have a positive in greatest number, we write it positive in the answer. In practice, page 126, we have also examples or practices. -9 plus 6 equal to what? We write it absolute value of greatest number. Change +2 minus absolute value of lesser number equal to absolute value of 9 equal to 9. Absolute value of 6 equal to 6. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Because greatest numbers have a negative sign, we write negative in the answer, student. And now we have more practice. If you have like sign, just add and find the absolute value of them. Absolute value of -3 equal to 3. -4 equal to 4. We are plus all of them equal to 7. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Because we have like sign, both of them are negative, we write negative in the answer. There's also, we write the absolute value of -15 plus absolute value of -10 equal to 15 plus 10. And because both of them are negative in the answer, also we have negative. There's also have the same -12 plus -16. We change it there, that's no problem. Equal to 16 plus 12 equal to 28. Because we have a negative both of them, we write it negative. I hope to see you in the next. Goodbye, student. And now we study about the subtract integers. How can subtract integers if we have like sign or unlike sign? What do we do, student? Look at there. An example, 1, we have 9 minus negative 22. In subtract, the first time change the subtract to addition or add. After that we get or opposite the second number, we get this opposite second number. We have negative 22 change to positive 22, student. 9, we write it 9, change negative to positive, and opposite of the second number we have positive 22. After that 9 plus 22 equal to 31. In example 2 also we have negative 14, change the subtract to add, and we get opposite of the second number. Negative 8 we get positive 8. And after that we have negative, we have different sign. There's we back to the addition integer, student, or adding integer. What we do if we have unlike sign, student? Now we have 14 plus 8 equal to what? Absolute value of 14 plus absolute value of 8. What we do, we change subtract to add to subtract, sorry. After that absolute value of negative 14 equal to 14, absolute value of 8 equal to 8. 14 minus 8 equal to 6. The first time change to subtract to addition. After that we use the rules of addition we are learned, student. And now we solve practice 3. 7 minus 10 equal to what? Because we have subtract change to addition, and opposite of second number we have positive 10 equal to negative 10. After that we have different sign. If we have addition and different sign, what we do, we use absolute value of greatest number minus absolute value of lesser number. Absolute value of negative 10 minus absolute value of 7 equal to what? 10 minus 7, and equal to 3. 10 minus 7, because in greatest number we have negative sign. In greatest number we have negative sign. In the answer also we have negative sign. And in practice 4 or example 4, negative 4 minus 6, what we do if we have negative 4 minus 6? Negative 4 plus negative 6. Why? Because we change it subtract to addition and opposite of the second number. And now we have a like sign. We in addition, if we have like sign, what we do, we add absolute value of both of them. Absolute value of negative 4 plus absolute value of negative 6 equal to absolute value of negative 4 equal to 4. Absolute value of negative 6 equal to 6. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. Because we have like sign there, we write it the negative and the answer. Students, examples we are learning now or we review, they are so important for exam students. Be caution. And now we have if we have multiplying and dividing in integers, what we do, we learned about addition and subtraction, and after that we have multiplying, dividing, and multiplying integers. Negative 8 times 2 equal to what? If we have unlike sign, we have negative in the answer. If we have like sign, we have positive in the answer. If both of them are negative or positive, the answer is also positive, student. If we have unlike sign, if which one is greatest, that's not important, just which one is one of them negative or one of them positive. What we do, we have negative in the answer. Negative 8 times 2 equal to 16. 8 times 7 equal to 56. Because we have the different sign in the answer also we have negative. There we have different sign in the answer we have negative. But there we have negative 9 times negative 4, we have like sign. In the answer we have positive. There's also positive 7 times positive 2. In the answer we have positive 14, student. If we have divided the same of multiplying, what we do, in the divide we have the same. Look, negative 9 divided by negative 3 equal to what? Equal to 3, because both of them are negative in the answer. Also we have positive. In the practice or example, another example, we have positive 18 divided by positive 3, because both of them are positive in the answer. Also we have positive 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. In another example, we have negative 72 divided by negative 8, because both of them are negative. The answer is positive, and 72 divided by 8 equal to 9. And there we have different sign. Negative 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. because we have negative and positive. In the answer we have negative because we have different sign. And third, we have 21 divided by 7 equal to 3 because we have different sign. In the answer we have negative. Because if you have like sign, the answer is positive in divide and multiply. If you have different sign, that's not important which one is greater. But if you have unlike sign or different sign, what we do in the answer we have negative, student, for divide and for multiply. That's more important for exam. I hope you are understand what I say. I hope you are study all lesson, students. I hope to see you in the next. I hope you are get the best marks in exam. See you in the next. Goodbye, student. Goodbye.